The rise of the dragon, from ancient empire to economic powerhouse. China is an ancient civilization, one of the oldest in the world, with a history that spans thousands of years. It is a land of rich history and vibrant culture, where traditions have been passed down through generations. For centuries, China was a world leader in many fields, including art, science, and technology. It was a center of trade, innovation, and philosophy, contributing significantly to human civilization. However, in the modern era, China faced significant challenges that tested its resilience and strength. The country experienced internal strife and external pressures, including wars and foreign invasions. This period of decline lasted for centuries, leaving the nation in a state of turmoil and hardship. But China never lost its potential, its spirit, or its determination to rise again. The sleeping giant was about to awaken, ready to reclaim its place on the world stage. In the late 20th century, China embarked on a path of economic reform under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping. The country opened up to foreign investment and embraced market-oriented policies, setting the stage for rapid growth. The results were nothing short of remarkable as China began to transform at an unprecedented pace. China experienced an unprecedented period of economic growth, building new cities and modern infrastructure. It lifted millions out of poverty, improving the quality of life for countless families. China transformed itself into the world's second-largest economy, a feat that seemed unimaginable just decades earlier. China's rise has been fueled by several factors, each contributing to its remarkable success. One key factor has been its vast population, which provides a huge pool of labor and talent. This labor force has been instrumental in driving the country's industrial and economic growth. Another factor is China's embrace of globalization, actively participating in global trade and investment. It has opened its markets to the world, becoming a key player in international commerce. China has also made significant investments in infrastructure, education, and technology, laying the foundation for future growth. Today, China is a global economic powerhouse, influencing markets and economies around the world. It is a major player in international trade, exporting goods to every corner of the globe. China is a leading manufacturer of a wide range of goods from electronics to textiles, dominating many industries. It is also a major investor in developing countries with initiatives like the One Belt, One Road project. China's economic rise has had a profound impact on the global economy, reshaping trade and investment patterns. It has also reshaped the geopolitical landscape, positioning China as a key player on the world stage. The Great Leap Forward. China's transformation into a manufacturing giant. This journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, marked by rapid industrialization and economic reforms that have reshaped the global manufacturing landscape. China's economic transformation is often referred to as the factory of the world. This title is well-earned, as the nation has become synonymous with large-scale production and efficiency. This is for good reason. The country has become the world's leading manufacturer, producing a staggering percentage of the world's goods. It produces a vast array of goods, ranging from everyday consumer products to complex machinery. These include electronics, clothing, toys, and machinery. The diversity in production showcases China's ability to adapt and innovate across various sectors. China's manufacturing prowess has been driven by its low labor costs, efficient infrastructure, and supportive government policies. The combination of these factors has created an environment ripe for industrial growth. China's rise in manufacturing began in the 1980s. This period marked the beginning of significant economic reforms that opened the country to global markets. This was with the establishment of special economic zones. These zones were strategically developed to attract foreign investment and boost economic activity. These zones offered tax breaks and other incentives to foreign investors. This attracted multinational corporations eager to capitalize on the favorable conditions. They set up factories in China to take advantage of the low production costs. This influx of foreign capital and expertise further accelerated China's industrial growth. As a result, China's manufacturing sector experienced explosive growth. The rapid development of factories and industrial zones transformed the economic landscape. China's manufacturing dominance has had a significant impact on the global economy. The country's integration into global trade networks has reshaped supply chains and trade dynamics. It has led to job losses in developed countries. Many industries in these nations struggled to compete with China's lower production costs, leading to factory closures and unemployment. These countries have struggled to compete with China's low prices. The competitive pricing of Chinese goods has made it difficult for manufacturers in other countries to maintain their market share. However, it has also led to lower prices for consumers worldwide. The affordability of products has improved the standard of living for many people. This has made goods more affordable for people around the globe. The availability of cost-effective products has democratized access to technology and consumer goods. China's manufacturing sector is not without its challenges. The rapid growth has brought about issues related to labor conditions and worker safety. The country is facing rising labor costs. As the standard of living improves, workers are demanding higher wages and better working conditions. There are also concerns about environmental pollution. The industrial boom has led to significant environmental degradation, prompting calls for more sustainable practices. In recent years, China has been moving up the value chain. The focus is shifting from low-cost manufacturing to more advanced and high-tech industries. It is shifting from low-cost manufacturing to higher value-added industries. This includes sectors such as aerospace, robotics, and renewable energy, which require advanced skills and technology. This includes aerospace, robotics, and renewable energy. By investing in these areas, China aims to sustain its economic growth and address some of the challenges posed by its traditional manufacturing model. The tech dragon awakens China's pursuit of technological dominance. In addition to its manufacturing prowess, China has also emerged as a technological force, rapidly transforming its economy and society. The country has made significant investments in research and development, pouring billions of dollars into cutting-edge technologies. It has also implemented policies to promote innovation, creating a fertile ground for startups and tech giants alike. As a result, China has become a leader in fields such as artificial intelligence, 5G telecommunications, and renewable energy, setting global standards in these areas. China's technological rise is driven by a number of factors, including a strategic vision and a commitment to long-term goals. The government has played a key role, orchestrating a national strategy that aligns public and private sector efforts. It has set ambitious goals for technological development, aiming to become the world's leading tech superpower by 2030. It has provided funding for research and development, ensuring that scientists and engineers have the resources they need to innovate. China also has a large and growing pool of scientists and engineers who are at the forefront of technological advancements. They are graduating from top universities in China and abroad, bringing a wealth of knowledge and expertise back to the country. China's technological advancements have raised concerns in the United States and other Western countries, who fear losing their competitive edge. These countries see China's technological rise as a threat to their own economic and military dominance, prompting a reevaluation of their own strategies. There are also concerns about intellectual property theft, with allegations that China has engaged in cyber espionage to gain an unfair advantage. China has been accused of stealing trade secrets from foreign companies, leading to tensions and legal battles. Despite these concerns, China's technological progress is undeniable, with rapid advancements that are reshaping the global tech landscape. The country is home to some of the world's leading technology companies, which are driving innovation and growth. These include Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent, which have become household names around the world. These companies are competing with U.S. tech giants like Apple, Google, and Amazon, challenging their dominance in various sectors. The competition is in areas such as e-commerce, social media, and cloud computing, where Chinese companies are making significant inroads. China's technological advancements are likely to continue in the years to come, driven by a combination of government support, private sector innovation, and a highly skilled workforce. This will have a major impact on the global economy, influencing everything from trade policies to international relations, as the world adapts to a new technological era led by China.